Lisa and I are taking a stroll this morning, exploring all the new trails and the beautiful parts of Alnoba that we will be exploring with you on Wednesday mornings in our meditation, nature walks, contemplations, wisdom teachings. Very excited that our new season begins now in May. They'll run through October. And every Wednesday morning, a small group will go and walk through the property, have a seated meditation, and really connect with nature. Really leave our world behind and enter this magical, magnificent, truly nature habitat that Alnoba is. I look forward to having many of you join us on our weekly journeys. Thank you.